Today, I will tell you about just one exercise that will help burn fat from your entire body. Apart from this, I have already shared many exercises and techniques with you before. I have also explained a breathing pattern, and if you follow it, you can reduce your belly fat. You will find the links to those in the description box so you can watch them and benefit from them. So in today's video as well, I will share an exercise that will help burn fat from your entire body. By doing this exercise, you can burn not just belly fat, but fat from your whole body. Some ladies say that when they start exercising, they just can't do it because they've gained so much weight. But even if they try to start exercising, they aren't able to do it. So why is that? First of all, let me explain this so that it becomes clear to you. If you are unable to exercise, what is the problem? There is actually no problem at all. The issue is that when we wake up and start exercising, we don't warm up our bodies properly, and because of that, it feels like our whole body is stiff. But if you are overweight, if you have fat accumulated, whether it's on your stomach or anywhere else, this fat is actually energy. You just need to know how to use it. If right at the beginning you suddenly feel like exercising and start doing any exercise without preparation, that's not the right way. First and foremost, it's important to warm up and get your body heated. How should you do that? Look, you can do a bit of walking. You should walk for 10-15 minutes. It should be done at a brisk pace, not like casually strolling while talking on the phone. No, you need to walk briskly. You can even run at home. You can do some light running. If you can go outside somewhere, then you can go for a run like that for 10-15 minutes. You can run very slowly at home for 10-15 minutes, or you can walk briskly for 10-15 minutes. After that, you'll see a sudden boost of energy in your body. You'll feel like, yes, I should exercise, and when you do exercise, you'll enjoy it too. You'll be able to exercise for a longer time. What will happen because of this? Your stamina increases. Our stamina is usually very low. When we start exercising in the beginning, we think about exercise like, now I've become fat, I should start exercising. But when we actually sit down to exercise, I don't know what happens. It feels like there's a kind of tension in the body. It feels like, no, I'm just feeling lethargic. The body feels stiff, there's stiffness, so we're not able to do it. We get tired after doing just a little bit. So first we need to increase our stamina. To build stamina, do 10 minutes of running, walking, or add something like that for sure. Now let's find out which exercise, if you do it daily, will burn fat from your whole body, because it involves all the muscles of your body. This exercise is a very simple one, and I'm going to show you this exercise in two different ways. One way is for older people or those who are overweight, whose knees or back hurt, how they should do it. And the other way is for those who are normal, younger, or whose knees don't hurt, meaning their whole body is in good condition. They can do any exercise, so I'll also explain how they should do this exercise to get the maximum effect on their body. If you want to burn fat quickly, I'm going to show you two methods, and at the end I'll tell you what to do if even while exercising you feel discomfort in these lower back muscles. If the muscles around your stomach ever start to show, or if you feel weakness after exercising, or if your muscles hurt while losing weight, then to strengthen those muscles, your back muscles and the muscles around your stomach, which exercises should you do so that your muscles don't hurt as much and you don't feel weak? So let's get started. This is how you should do the exercises. First, let's see how people whose knees or back hurt should exercise. So for older people, the best exercise is the plank. You must have heard of the plank as well. So what happens in this exercise is that all the muscles in your body get involved. So for those whose knees hurt or who have back problems, they should definitely do this exercise. Now, what is the thing you need to pay attention to here? The important thing to keep in mind is that you shouldn't do it incorrectly. How do people end up doing it wrong? Some people spread their hands out like this. Some people join them together, but you should keep your hands like this with your fists closed. Then the second thing is your neck. You shouldn't bend it down like this or lift it up like that. Just keep it straight. And along with this, what else do some people do? They lower their back like this, meaning when they get tired, they start to slump down while doing it. This method is incorrect. Another thing that some people often do is this, like this. This particular method is also completely wrong and should be avoided. So what should you do? While exhaling, you need to squeeze your stomach, and in this position, meaning your whole body should remain completely straight. Watch how. Now, this is for those people who do any kind of exercise. If your knees and all are completely normal, there's no problem, then which exercise should you do to burn full body fat? First, you need to come into this position and then bring one of your legs here. You need to bring it close to the side here. Just bring it together and do push-ups like this, then switch to the other leg. This is indeed very easy. When you actively try doing push-ups, you will certainly find that it becomes quite simple for you to perform, and you absolutely need to exhale completely whenever you do push-ups. The main thing is, for how long should you do it? If you are starting today, do at least 10 repetitions of this in the beginning, like this. 1. Just 2. 3. In this way, you will need to successfully complete all 10 challenging rounds. So at the start, you have to do 10 reps, meaning 10 rounds. With this exercise, for example, the next day you might be able to do fewer. So the next day you did 12, you did 15. And after that, you will gradually keep increasing, and the more you can do, the more beneficial it will be for you. So according to your own pace, you need to gradually increase the repetitions. And for those who do planks, let's say you are doing planks. Now, some people will say that we can do both, and yes, you can do both. There's no problem. But it depends on your body which exercise you can do better, so you can do both as well. For those who want to do both, for those who do planks, how long should they hold it? First of all, on the first day, try to hold the plank for 1 minute. You have to hold the plank, try to hold it for 1 minute, and gradually keep increasing the time like this. If you keep practicing, you can reach up to 10 minutes. If you can hold the plank for up to 10 minutes, that's excellent, and then you'll see how toned your body becomes in that time. So try to hold it for as long as you possibly can. Now, what is the third exercise if your muscles are sore? If your muscles ache after exercising, then definitely include this exercise in your daily routine. So which exercise is it? Let's take a look. So lie down straight on the floor like this and lift both your hands and your legs like this. Your legs should be at a 90-degree angle. Keep your arms completely straight and slowly exhale while extending the opposite leg and opposite arm. Watch just how it's done now. Then return to the starting position. The longer you can do this exercise, the better it is for you. Your core muscles will get strengthened, your exercise limit and stamina will increase. So friends, in this way you can benefit from these exercises. The better you do them, the stronger and more toned your body will become. That means the fat will disappear and your muscles will start to grow as they should in a real body. That growth will start happening. That's all for today. If you like the video, be sure to like and share it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. So, see you in the next video. Bye, take care.